Cooking healthy is simpler than most people believe. The real challenge is staying consistent with the diet that actually suits you, whether you're gluten-free, always on the go, or trying to avoid bloating. I've got 3 recipes made just for you. I love a nourishing, high-protein, high-fiber bowl, especially with rice. This one started when I wanted something quick. I thought about red and lentils dal. It's super easy and fast, but I wanted to level it up, so I added tofu, which I pan-fried in a pot over medium heat with just a bit of olive oil. Once it started to turn golden, I added diced red bell pepper, carrots and radishes. I chopped the carrots and radishes small, but had a camera issue, so I don't have the footage. Apologies. I stir-fried them for a minute, then added spices and red lentils. Note, if you want to switch to other dry lentils, make sure to soak them for at least 3 hours. They're tougher than red lentils and take longer to cook. Once everything was mixed, I added tomato paste, passata, and hot water. Stir well, scrape the bottom a bit, then close the lid. Lower the heat if it starts bubbling too much. After about 10 minutes, the red lentils should be soft. If they're not, give them 5 more minutes. Then I added chopped spinach and some leftover silken tofu, optional. Mix everything in and remove from heat. I love serving dal with its best friend, basmati rice. Add some greens like broccolini, drizzle with lemon juice and chopped parsley. Done. This protein-packed dal is perfect for meal prep. Store it in the fridge and finish within 5 days. If you've seen my previous videos, you already know I love mushrooms. I eat them almost daily. They're super indulgent, especially in one-pot meals. Easy and cozy, just how I like it. Use whatever mushrooms you love. I like mixing the juicy ones, champignon, portobello, oyster, king oyster, and chanterelle, I think it's called. I'm no expert, just a girl picking the meatiest ones at the store. Start by heating olive oil, then add the mushrooms in stages, the denser ones first. Once they start to brown, add spices and a spoon of miso paste. Stir so they're well coated. Then add rice noodles, broken in half or whole, and pour hot water right after. The water should almost cover the noodles, no more than 1 centimeter above. Close the lid for a minute. Open the lid, gently mix the noodles, then close again for another minute. Repeat until noodles are soft. It takes about 8 minutes. Meanwhile, chop the spinach if using fresh. Add coconut milk, stir, and then mix in the chopped spinach. Don't overcook the noodles. Once they're nearly done, add the spinach and coconut milk. Otherwise, they get too soft like mine did, but still tasted amazing. Serve hot, topped with nutritional yeast, chili flakes, walnuts, parsley, scallions, or however you love it. These past few weeks, I've been dealing with some serious bloating, worse than usual. As someone with IBS, I know that sometimes even a balanced diet doesn't sit well. Some weeks nothing feels good. If you're dealing with that too, you're not alone. I got you. I'll be sharing more IBS and gut-friendly content. For this salad, I love adding za'atar roasted chickpeas, or if you're short on time, just skip roasting and add za'atar to your dressing. Fennel is known to help with IBS, though not for everyone and not in every form. In this salad, it's balanced by lots of fiber and other flavors. Use just one small fennel bulb, sliced thinly so it's easier to digest. One thing I've started doing is grating carrots with their skin right after I get them from the store. I use them in salads, desserts, or over warm dishes. I store the rest of the carrots in water in the fridge to keep them crisp. I also like adding cooked quinoa. I usually have some in my fridge. Half a cup of cooked quinoa is considered low FODMAP and generally safe. It helps digestion and it is rich in magnesium, iron, and zinc. The dressing is semi-spicy, sweet and sour, and it works with other green salads just as well. I add about 1/3 cup of raw pecans, but feel free to use more. Their crunch is perfect here. You can also swap with cashews, almonds, or peanuts. Crunchy and refreshing. It's the perfect combo for me. I really could eat this one forever. Never bores me. Stir the salad in an airtight container in the fridge. It will stay fresh for up to 4 days. I served it with cabbage rolls. I don't have the exact recipe since I used whatever I had on hand. It was actually my first time making them. I used leftover tofu scramble from the day before. It had spinach, carrot, and fennel, which might be a bit much with the salad, but it worked great in the rolls. I also added some leftover basmati rice and mixed it all together. I used Chinese cabbage. It softens quickly and gives a nice thin shell for rolling. And yeah, since it was my first attempt, I wasn't totally confident in the poaching, cutting, and rolling stages. If you've got tips, tricks, or experience, please share them with me in the comments. Part of how I balance my IBS is through movement. I've recently gotten back into running after a few months of cardio. Since moving to a quieter, greener area, I now have the privilege of running or walking in the forest daily. It's been so healing for my mental and physical health, and that directly supports my gut health too. IBS is unpredictable. One day I can eat something and feel totally fine, and the next it's like a full-on war zone in my gut. That's why I experiment a lot. My main goal moving forward is to become as aware as possible of the situations and patterns that lead to pain and discomfort. And I want to share that journey with you, not just the recipes, but the real life stuff too. The trial and error, the wins, the flares, the resets. Because if you're going through it too, you don't have to feel alone. I hope you enjoyed today's video and feel inspired to eat in a more balanced and gut-friendly way. Let me know what you think by liking this video, commenting below, and subscribing to support my channel. Thank you and stay safe.